Yes, I do.
Thank you. You may be seated. Sir, can you state your name and spell your last name for the court reporter,
Yes.
please?
It's Monroe Gage, G-A-G-E.
Oh, I apologize. I misspoke your name. Sorry about that.
Sorry.
Thank you. You may inquire.
Thank you, Your Honor. Morning, sir.
Good morning.
Can you please introduce yourself to the jury again?
Monroe Gage.
And what do you do for a living now?
I'm retired.
Previous to that, specifically back in February 21st of 2003, where did you work?
For the Houston Police Department.
What did you do for Houston PD back then?
I was a canine officer.
On that specific day, did you assist the FBI in arresting an individual you came to know as Demorris Andy Hunter?
Yes, I did.
Without going into the details of how you located Mr. Hunter, did you and other members of the FBI travel to a house in Harris County, Texas?
Yes.
What was the address of that house?
5603 Belmore,
That's in which city?
Harris County, Houston.
Okay. I'm showing you what's been already introduced as State's Exhibit 38. Do you see that address you just described on this map here?
Yes, I do.
Does that fairly and accurately show the location, general location of that address on the map?
Yes.
All right. We have heard previously that a burned van was located around 14,000 Furman Road in Houston, which is also on the map. Based on the map, about how far away would that burned van have been from where you went to?
Approximately 6 to 7 miles.
Did you said you were a canine
Yes.
officer then?
Yes.
What was the name of your canine?
Falco.
All right. When you arrived at this house on Belmark Street, right? When you arrived there, where did you position yourself, and kind of walk the jury through what happened?
I went with my canine partner to the southwest corner of the house. There was an 8-foot picket fence that surrounded the house, the back part. I took a position behind there to be safe.
And did someone, other law enforcement officers were there with you, right?
Yes.
Did one of those other law enforcement officers notify the suspect in the house somehow?
Yes, I did.
How did that happen?
He called him on the phone and asked him to step out the front door.
Did the suspect come out?
Yes, he did.
All right. Did he come out the door that he was told to come out of, or a different door?
He came out a different door,
Okay, which door did he come out of?
the back door.
Were you able to see him come out, or how did you know he came out that door?
I heard the door open up, and then next thing I saw somebody running.
Did you hear anybody yelling at this person who walked out the door?
All of us was yelling. One of the FBI guys were yelling, and I was yelling.
What did this person do after he walked out the door and everybody was yelling at him?
He ran towards the northwest corner of the house, at which time I pursued him with my canine dog, which was on leash.
Did you eventually make contact with the person that ran?
As I got up to the suspect, I ordered him to stop and lay down on the ground where I'd release the canine.
After this person exited the rear door, and what were you and other law enforcement officers telling him to do?
To lay down on the ground.
He didn't comply with that.
Not at that time, he didn't.
Okay. So after this person ran and you actually made contact with him with your canine, what happened?
The suspect stopped. He kind of looked around for a second and like he was going to run towards the fence and jump over. I then ordered him again to lay down. I was going to release my canine, at which time he got down on his knees and then he complied.
And at the time he finally chose to get down on his knees and comply, what was your canine doing?
He was barking and trying to get at him.
You said you had him on a leash to control him?
Yes, I did.
What kind of dog was your canine?
A Dutch Shepherd.
Once this person laid down and complied, was he handcuffed?
Yes, he was.
Did you ask the person that you just arrested his name?
After I did, yes.
Okay. What did he say?
It was Demorris Hunter.
Did you confirm that there was an arrest warrant out of Orlando, Florida for Demorris Hunter for homicide?
I didn't confirm it. The homicide officer, or the FBI guys did,
Okay.
and I went back and got the information from them.
Once, I know it's been many years, but you happen to see the person you arrested here in court?
Yes, I do.
Please point him out and tell me what he's
The
wearing.
defendant in the white shirt.
Okay. Is he wearing
Glasses.
a jacket or no jacket?
without the jacket in the middle.
Your Honor, may the record reflect the witnesses identified the defendant.
The record will so reflect.
Once the defendant was handcuffed, what was done with him?
They brought him to the patrol car. I went and put my canine up, and then I came back and got the rest of my information. I went to him and asked him for his name to complete my paperwork. He did give me his name, his birthday.
He gave you his birthday as well.
Yes, he did.
Were you the person involved in transporting him to the jail?
No, I wasn't.
Did you have any involvement in eventually getting Mr. Hunter back to Florida?
No, I did not.
Thank you, sir. I have no other questions, Your Honor.
Cross-examination.
Good morning, Mr. Gage.
Good morning.
You don't know anything about the van that you were just asked about on the state's direct examination, correct?
No, I don't.
You don't know anything about that location, Furman Road, or anything like that?
I know the location, but I don't know anything about it.
Okay. 5603 Belmark is a neighborhood, correct?
Yes, it is.
How many people were living in Houston in 2002?
How many people? I have no idea.
No, fair to say more than 1 million?
I'm sure.
Okay. How close was the 5603 Belmark Road to Houston's Hobby Airport?
Hobby? It's about 8-10 miles.
Okay. And about how far away was the Astrodome?
It's the same. It's about 8 miles.
In the opposite direction, though, right? So in between there, we're talking about a significant amount of neighborhoods.
Yes. Yes, sir.
You said you worked with Harris County Sheriff's Office, or was
No,
it-
Houston Police Department,
Police Department.
K-9 and SWAT.
How many? Do you know how many stolen vehicle cases were in Houston in 2002?
I have no idea.
Fair to say more than 10?
I have no idea. Oh, yeah, definitely more than 10.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Any redirect?
No, Your Honor.
Any questions from the jury? Seeing none, is this witness free to go?
Yes, Your Honor.
You are free to go, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. You have a blessed day.
You as well. I could see the attorneys up here for a moment.